Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to configure UPS shipping in Odoo. Now to do this we are going to use the UPS integration, so let's get started guys. UPS is a shipping carrier service that integrates with Odoo to coordinate shipping to all regions. Once integrated, users can create shipping methods that estimate shipping costs and generate labels. So to set up the UPS shipping connector in Odoo, complete these few steps. First of all, create a new UPS account to get account number, which is simply by going to the UPS website. Then create UPS developer account to get client's credentials and set up shipping method in Odoo. This is how to create account setup. So go to UPS, create your account, accounts and payments, and here choose the shipping accounts. The shipping account, choose add new account, click on add, and then fulfill these informations, and you here will get the account number. So just make sure that you have it related to Odoo. So here the number, which is going to be very much important, so you can literally connect this with Odoo. Then of course add the payment card, navigate back to the accounts and payment page and select the add payment card option from the add payment method drop down menu, then complete the form to add credit and card information. Once you have done that, UPS developer account setup, go to apps and click on add app as you can see. Then choose I need API credentials because I want to integrate UPS technology into my business, and then choose an account to associate with these credentials, which is your account number. Then click on next, then to add the app form and fill out the fields. App name, just fulfill these informations here. Call back URL, type the URL, the Odoo database in the format. And once you do that, as you can see, in the product page, it's going to be already added in there, and the actual UPS is going to be integrated within your checkout page. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.